Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, we have the Galaxy A16 and of course today I'll be showing you how to use the macro mode that's built into the A16's camera. Alright, so what is macro mode? Macro mode is meant for those situations where of course you have very small subjects that you need to go in for those close-in shots, but of course if you zoom you'll lose detail. So the macro camera allows you to take those photos with the extra lens on your device, which is the A16, that allows for those close-in shots. All right, so you're better able to get that perfect shot with all of the details using the macro lens. All right, so if you're going to do some macro photography, that's the lens that you would use, but of course it might not be easy for you to find. In order to find this camera, go ahead and launch your camera. All right, so once you're in the camera, as seen here, you're going to go over here that says more. You're going to tap, and among the options here you're going to see macro. You're going to hit the macro here, and as you can see here, your phone or your device will go into macro mode. Now as you can see here, we have a very small animal, and you can take macro photography. Right, so as you can see, we can add more for detail. All right, so I've added a few. All right, and these are just used as an example. All right, and you notice it doesn't lose the detail, especially 1 to 2 inches from the camera. And as you can see here, these are the photos that we got using the macro mode. All right, so the details is preserved. You can see the animals. And of course, better lighting will help to improve the situation. So as you can see here, they're much detailed. All right. So that's how to use the macro camera built in to your A16. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.